What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Re-Edit. We have a change of scenery here. I'm your host, Johnny Jean, and for today's edit, we are going to be doing a TV static effect. This is an effect you can use pretty much for anything. I'm not going to limit y'all, but I had this specifically in mind for like music videos and such. So in Lil Sky's music video, there's this part where he is by a stairwell near like a doorway, sort of like how I'm doing right now. And his entire body silhouette just becomes like TV static, and I thought that was kind of cool. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that today. And without further ado, let's just get right into Premiere. Hello, so right now I am going frame by frame and adjusting the mask path, with each movement it is going to be quite a lengthy process. So I just anticipate to be here for a while, going not necessarily frame by frame, but every time I make like a significant movement and it just doesn't go with the mask path anymore, I'll just change it to whatever my body's doing. So that's what I'm doing. Like right here, my arm went down significantly, so I'm just going to adjust it. I'm going to adjust the mask path to fit my arm movements, because it's mostly my arms moving. With this, I try to keep the rest of my body fairly still, otherwise I'd be adjusting literally every single notch. You know, I'm not even sure what to call these. Every single one of these square notches right here. So at this very moment, I put my mask path in all the places that I want to, so I'm just gonna play it for you to see what it looks like. Not perfect, but I think you kind of get the gist of what I'm going for. I pretty much had to go frame by frame. There's certain spots where you can kind of see my beads poking through, or like you'll see like a hand. But like I said before, I am going to show you two ways how to do this. One of them is pretty easy, where we just import TV static from like a stock website for the video, and I'm going to insert my TV static video on that first line. So that's what that would look like. But another cool thing to do is just to make your own TV static. In the project window, we're going to click right here under new item and create black video. Then we're just going to drag that onto track 1. And then in the effects library, we're going to look for noise and drag that onto the black video. We're going to change the amount of noise under effects controls. Right now it's at 0, we're gonna change it to 100%, and then deselect use color noise and deselect clip result values. Then we're also gonna go back into the effects library and search for dust and scratches. We're gonna change the radius to 5 and then the threshold to 0.3. And then one last thing, we are going to search for Venetian blinds and add that onto the black video as well. And under effects controls, we are going to change the transition completion to 15%, the direction to 90, the width to 20, and then feathering to 8. And then I'll just play that back for y'all. And there you go, your own homemade TV static. Well, everybody, that's it for today's edit. Please be sure to use this on any upcoming creative projects you have. Please keep being creative, y'all. It's great for the brain, it's great for the soul. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to UNF Spinnaker TV on YouTube. And please be sure to head over to Instagram to follow me at joe.chella and follow UNF Spinnaker TV at UNF Spinnaker TV. With that, that's the end of the video. I'll see y'all in the next one.